This is a great headset that I cannot recommend highly enough. So far the best value that I have found in BT headsets. I will be buying another one of these soon. Voice quality is excellent. When I ask anyone about the quality of my voice on the call, they tell me it is very good. The battery life is also excellent. One feature that I appreciate is the on-off switch, which is easy to use and has a good tactile feel to it. Good quality, easy to pair, comfortable, long battery life, and at the $30 at the time, a great price. Only drawback is that when answering using the button on it, it says answering phone call or something, so you can't hear the person and they can't hear you for a second as you say hello. Easy handling and quality trusted. Love this headset. Great noise cancelling and volume. Works on 2 different phones. It is great. I like this so much. It is my second one and my wife has one. I am self-employed and this is in my ear just about all day, getting sweated on, falling on the ground, dropped in the dirt, and rolling around on the floor in my work truck, and has worked for about 5 years now. Sadly, about a month ago I lost it, and after beating my head against the wall trying to figure out what happened to it for about a month now, I decided it was gone and time to get another one. It was such a great little unit that I bought the same exact one. The first one I bought at Wally-World for more than I paid for it on Amazon. The quality is the same as it was 5 years ago, maybe better. Streams music very well, so you can listen to music in one ear and still work and hear other people around you. If you're looking for an inexpensive Bluetooth that works like a very expensive headset, this is the one. Amazon also sells replacement earpieces for these. If yours breaks or rips, they are very inexpensive. I can't speak to the amount of time the battery lasts. I do know that I can use it all day and go a few days without having to charge it. When you're not using it, it goes into a sleep mode so it doesn't drain the battery. The total talk time is 12 hours once fully charged. The one I had that was 5 years old and never had any issues with the battery getting weak or not holding a charge. You can also from the headset go back a song or go forward a song or play by holding the different earpiece buttons down for a certain amount of time. I believe you can pair this to more than one device. So if you have a work phone and a personal phone, you can certainly have both phones in your pocket, and this Bluetooth manage both phones. I have it paired to 2 phones myself. First off, this pic is after running over my earpiece with a car and it still worked after. Immediately ordered another. Battery life is great, call quality is great. Sound quality, in terms of music, is not the best in comparison to Plantronics headphones that are designed more for music, but not all Bluetooth earpieces even allow you to control music from the earpiece, so I don't mind. I drive for a company, phone calls are must, so I buy Bluetooth all the time. Before I got this awesome device, nice battery life and the voice is clear. Thank you Amazon. The battery lasts a long time, so you get more than 8 hours of lifetime on it, and it's lightweight. Sometimes I forget it's in my ear. I've been using it for 2 years now. Loving it. Click link in description for more reviews.